Good morning, dear students. I am Aditya Joshi. I am your new mathematics teacher, and we are going to study our new topic whose name is place value. The topic is our new lesson, and in this lesson, we are going to study about several things that are first, recall our previous class that you are studying in class 4th. Now you are in class 5th. So, our another topic is digits and number because that are a basic concepts while studying place value. Our third topic is smallest and greatest digit. We know that digits are the combinations which are used in our day-to-day life for reading and counting the numbers so that we are easily able to get on it. So after that we are going to study expanded form, that all topics are same and interconnected to each other. Okay. So we are moving into digits. So they are single digits 0 to 9. Up to 9 they are single digits. So we know that our greatest single digit is 9. So everyone know that the greatest digit is 9. But when we are going to study about 2 digit, when I ask you to tell me greatest 2 digit, everyone will say me that sir 9 and 9 that are 2 greatest digit. So how can I read this number? I read and write this number as 99. After that, if I want to get a smallest 3 digit number, I have to add 1 on it. If I add here 1, I will get 100. That means 100. This is 3 digit and smallest 3 digit. If I ask you to tell me that, you please tell me the 3 greatest digit. So this is as simple as that, 9, 9 and 9. If we write together, that form 999. Okay. So as you know about 3 digit, so must follow these combinations up to 5 digit numbers. That is greatest 5 digit number is like this. These are 2 greatest digit number 9 and 9, that makes 99. Similarly 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number, and as we know that is greatest 5 digit number whose is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means 99,999. So our topic is start from here. All this we had studied in our previous classes. So the place means position and value means its significance value. So that if I have 100 rupees, so I can tell this that 100 is my value of rupees. So now we moving further. 6 digit numbers. 6 digit number means in the number there are 6 numbers of digits. Digits are like 0, 1, 2, 3, any of digit. So I will take a random digit, that is 1, 9, 4, 5, 8, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 digit number. So I am unable to read it because I don't know what is digit there. So I will to take help from place value. Place value is the way that we get to read and count that number. So you know that extreme right side of number, that is ones. Everybody know that. You learn in your previous classes. In extreme right, that my right hand side number is having the value of ones. So its place value, what is its place value? Its place value is ones. Then you will say me, sir, there is 1 and you are saying that their place value is 1. No, place value is different and face value is different. Face value means when we look at the number, we know that there is 1, 8, 5, 4, 9 and 1. but there are different things, face value and place values. So we look the number exact same, that are face values, and the significance, position and some importance of that number and values of that number are tell that are said to be place value. Let me clear you. Here is 8. What is face value of 8? There is 8. But what is the place value of 8? Place value of 8 is ones, tens. That means here face value is 1 and place value is 1, but here face value is 8 and place value, PLACE, place value is tens. As we move before, we can multiply on by 10 times. Let me clear your confusion. So what is the face value of 5? Face value of 5 is 5. Very good. And place value of 5 is hundreds. As I told you, when from extreme right side we move before that number, we can get 10 times of that number. So ones, tens, hundreds. Hundred is place value and its face value is 5. So move further. 4 is having ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Its face value is 4 and place value is 1000. So we can write in short form TH or 1000. Please, you must know there is no S in it. When we talk about place values, you don't use S after that. So many students doing same thing and same mistakes while writing these numbers. So we are going to write only 1000. Okay. Moving further. So before 4, what is the number here? 9. And what is its face value? Very good. Its face value is 9 and its place value is 10,000. As I told you, it multiply by 10 times. So here 1000. When I multiply 1000 by 10, that is 10,000. So here not much place. So I write here T for 10, TH for 1000. That means 10,000. And after that, here that is 1. And its face value is 1 and place value is 1 lakh. Yes, it is 1 lakh. As we all know, we are discussing this topic which comes under Hindu Arabic number system or Indian system of numeration. So I will write here Indian numeration oblique Hindu Arabic numbers. We are Indians, so we use Indian numbers. So in Indian number there are, after 10,000 there is lakh and after lakh there is 10 lakh. Okay. So there are some questions about this topic and we are going to try to solve this. Okay. For our easiness, we are going to write there the place value chart which will give us help. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So here is our first question. Okay. So I want to read this number and I try to expand this number. Oh, expand. What is meant by expand? Expand means expansion. We are going to expand it. We are going to simplify it. We are going to write by its value, that are place values and face values. Very good. So what are here? So how many ones are there? 7 ones are there. How many tens are there? 8 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds are there. How many thousands are there? 4,000s are there. How many 10,000s are there? 3 10,000 are there. And here no number is here. Okay. So this is ones. Any number is at the right side of 7? No number, because it's smallest value. So just I multiply by 1 because here no any number. Okay. Move further by before the 7 number. We see there is 8 tens. 8 tens means 80, or if you don't want to write that in that manner, you just multiply by how many numbers are there? Only one numbers are there. So just multiply by 0. Only one number is there. That means 80. How many numbers are after 9, 8 and 7? Just multiply 9 by 1, 2. 2, 0. And while you are writing 0, please write here 1. Because what is the column is see? What is the column? Hundreds. So definitely in the column of 100 we are going to multiply by it 100. What is the column here? 8 tens. So by which number we can multiply it? 10, and this is ones, and therefore we are going to multiply by 1. Okay. So similarly 4 multiply by 1000, 3 multiply by 10,000, so I write the expanded form. This is the expanded form. We are going to expand this number. So when I multiply this number by 10,000, what is the answer? 3 multiply by 10,000. That means 3 times 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000. 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 10, 30. That means 30,000. Or you can multiply simply by its number. 30,000. You see this comma. When we write that numbers, I am not talking about digits. When you are write digits, you can don't need to use commas or any symbols while writing this. But when you are going to write the numbers or a big numbers, you having must write comma in it, because this is very important thing, and we are know that the number is 30,000. We have to stop on 30,000. Okay. After addition, 4 multiply by 1000. Face value is 4, place value is 1000. While multiplying both of it, we get the answer, that is 4,000. After that 9 hundreds. After that 8 tens, that means 80. And after that 7 ones. 7 ones means 7 times ones. 7. After addition of these numbers, you can get exactly the numbers above, which is 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, and I read. So please give attention here. 34,987. The last two numbers are only we have to read combinedly. And look here, what is the number? 34,987, and we have to write and this number by words. So I am going to writing here the numbers in words. THIRTY 30, 4,000, 987. So in this topic we had studied what is meant by digits, what are the numbers, and in how are the numbers get different, and how the face value and place value are different from each other, and what is the way to write the numbers and place value for that. So everybody knows about 6-digit number. Simply, while we adding to greatest 6-digit number by 1, we get our smallest 7-digit number. So we are going to study about 7-digit number. Before I write 7-digit number, I have to write here greatest 6-digit number. What is the greatest digit? Exactly 9. 9 is the greatest digit. These are two greatest digits. These are three greatest digits. 4, 5, 6. Just add 1 on it. We get our smallest 7-digit number. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. So, for read this number, we have to know place value and we have to take help from place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh. I give here comma because 10 lakh is different and this 100,000 and hundreds are different. So how many ones are there? 0 ones are there. How many tens are there? 0 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 0 is there. Similarly, till lakh, 0 is there. And the 10th lakh term is having 1. So that means 1 10th lakh and 0 another term. That means this digit name is TEN, LAKH, lakh. So by this way you are able to write and read the numbers very perfectly and you have know the difference of the numbers by putting the symbols on it. This is very easy concept, but most of the students are getting confused in it. Okay, so this is our 7-digit number. So we are going to solve some of questions like this and try to get the place value and want to find the place value for that number. If Ramu had some money, which is I write here randomly 3, 4, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 4. This amount Ramu has. I want to know what is the value of this 2. What is the specific place value of this 2 number, and also want to know what is the face value of that number. So similarly, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Very simple. How many lakhs are there? 2 lakhs are there. How can we able to speak like that? Because we know the face value. What is the face value of this number? 2. And what is the place value of this number? Lakh. I told you before, just took together that two values, face value and place value. 2 lakh. That means 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 5. This is 2 lakh. So what is the value of this underlying number? That is 2 lakh. This is our topic for today, expanded form, and we are we know that expansion, writing the numbers, writing the symbols are very necessary, and we know that today is our first period of this topic, so I have to give some questions to solve. Find out the place value of 6-digit number. After writing the place value, you having to write the total number in words also for more. And as you know that once started from extreme right, as we know the rules of mathematics, while we doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, we almost follow the path which is right side to left side. That means once at extreme right, tens, hundreds, we are going to this manner, not this manner. If you are go to this manner, you are going to confuse in it. Okay, so you have to go in like this manner and find the answers of these questions, and after that we are going to learn the simplification of the numbers, and other topics we will discuss in another lecture. Thank you.